I'm Lalitha from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Assistant Professor in Computer Application. Today we are discuss about the Raspberry Pi with IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. Nowadays we are using IoT in many places. The IoT applications are more than we are using day to day our life. For example, smart home, smart house, smart watches, smart traffic signals, smart lighting, and etc. Now we are discuss about the Raspberry Pi with IoT. Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi means minimal effort master card, measured easy that attachment into the PC screen or TV. It is the one of the master card we can attach it in our personal computer, otherwise our TV like a embedded devices. Utilization the standard console and mouse. We have to attach some mouse for using the Raspberry Pi. It is the component little gadgets that empowers individual of any ages to investigate registry. By using the Raspberry Pi, many ages group do it's like a gadgets. Nowadays we are using the gadgets very frequently because of we have to do many things. It will be implemented by our day-to-day life. Gadgets is the very effective things for our. It is not depend on the age group. The child also and child and old age peoples can access the gadgets because of providing GUI icons and Raspberry Pi like a devices, and figure out of the how dialects like the scratches are full Python. The Raspberry Pi is performed with Python. What is Raspberry Pi made up of? How the Raspberry Pi made up of? It is the history of the Raspberry Pi. The design of Raspberry Pi is based on Broadcom BZ2835 systems on the SoC. SoC means single on chip. The single system on chip, the one system purpose, it is they include the 2835 systems, include ARM compatibility of CPU. The board memory might be ranges are 256 MB to 1 GB RAM. The Raspberry Pi board is recognized the capacity from 256 MB to 1 GB of data RAM. It does not include the built-in the hard disk and solid-state drive. It is the SD card built-in the long-term storage. Raspberry Pi is one of the long-term storage like a SD card. We can remove from the hard disk. It is not installed in the CPU or any other hard disk. Possibilities around for 4 USB slot, HDMI and composite video output. The positioning is around 4 USB port and also HDMI and composite video can be included. What is the importance of IoT? Givenly, it's highly affordable cost and price. The Raspberry Pi is most important things for IoT because it is occupy the has the popular name is computing core, and its capability to run the special versions of Windows 10 called Windows 10 IoT Core. It categorizes itself the IoT things device. It's standard out of one of the key learning platform of IoT. Some of its features like a small size, low power consume, and erase the managing over cloud for make the favorable of IoT. The Raspberry Pi is minimal effort master card measured by PC that attach into the PC screen or TV. We have used in our smart TVs unlike the systems. Utilize the console and mouse. It is the content of the gadgets that empowers the individuals of age that investigate and figure out of how programs are declared like the scratches and Python. Raspberry Pi based on design the platform is provide the system on the chip including ARM. Board of the memory might be arranged to 56 160. It does not build in the hard disk. It like perform as the SD card, which is the loading the long-term storage device. Positioning around 1 or 4 USB slot, HDMI and composite video of the output.